Welcome to another how-to video. Welcome back to How to Fi. In this video, let me show you how you can create an account on Honor of Kings. Open the Honor of Kings app. Now, while you are in the Honor of Kings app, click Settings, which is located at the top right of your game screen. Now that you're in the Settings tab, click Link Account. As you can see, these are all social accounts that you can use to sync your game progress, like Facebook, email, Google, X, Discord, QQ, and WeChat. Since I mostly use Facebook to sync all my progress, I will click on Facebook. I'll click on Continue as Maria. Just follow the prompts to create an account. This will automatically sync with the social media account you chose. And that's how easy you can create an account on Honor of Kings. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.